Write the equation of an ellipse in standard form given the length of the major axis is 10 units and the length of the minor axis is 4 units. Okay. So major axis is 10 and the minor axis is 4. So if we draw another graph, so we know the major axis is 10. What does that mean? Well, okay, let's say the major axis is along the x-axis. That means that if the center is 0, 0, and the major axis is 10 units, then each of the vertices must be 5 units away from the center. If I draw that, I can explain in a little bit more. So if the vertices are both at 5, 0 and negative 5, 0, then the length between the two vertices is 10 units. And if we do the same thing for the minor axis, if the minor axis is length 4, then we know the co-vertices are at 0, 2 and 0, negative 2. Again, the length between the co-vertices is 4. You can also do the same thing if the major axis was on the y-axis instead of the x-axis. In this problem, it doesn't tell you which, so you can assume either or. So you can use either equation, either the horizontal or the vertical. In this case, we'll use the horizontal equation. So A would be the distance from the center to one of the vertices, and that length is 5. And B is the distance from the center to one of the co-vertices, that's 2. So if we write our equation, we get x squared over 5 squared, 25, plus y squared over 2 squared, which is 4, equals 1. And again, since we're not given whether or not it's a horizontal or a vertical ellipse, you can switch these two around, doesn't matter.